Welcome to another Adobe Script tutorial. Today, another viewer request. In Photoshop, how to save to large document format, PSB. In the Photoshop document object model, there are not save options for this format. To make it happen, we need to record doing it with Scripting Listener plugin. I have completed the code required, which I will go over. I've created a function, save PSB. It has one argument, the full path to where and the name you want for the saved file. The full path is a file object. The extension is actually optional. If missing, it gets added. The points to notice are the string large document format and the full path, the one argument passed. It is the file object with the path and name to save. And finally, save the file. To use the function, first get the active document. Then reduce its name to the base name, meaning the name without extension. Do this with a regular expression. Find a dot, and after it, anything not a dot, one or more characters, until the end of the string. And replace it with nothing. That removes the extension. Then create the full path. A new file object. The path, which for me, is a folder on my server. Change this to whatever location works for you. Add the base name and the extension .psb, which is optional. If missing, the function adds the extension. Then call the function SavePSB. Pass to it the full path. And finally, I will add an alert to let us know the work is done. Let's see it in action. I'll open an example. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. To run the script, click the Actions panel Play button. And it is done. Go to Bridge and have a look. There it is. This code can be added to other scripts. For example, the last tutorial where we put two images into a template. I'll open the template document, then look at the code. Copy the new function to the earlier code. Then comment saving PSD, and instead, call the new function to save large document format. For this, we need to pass the full path. Create a new file object. The path begins with the text folder output, text. Add a path separator, the file name, then finally, the extension PSB. Save and try that. In Photoshop, I'll choose Tutorial 32 in the Actions list and click the Play button. Then when done, look at the results. And there are two PSB large document format files. I've made a download for the code. Get it at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.